All right, I have to switch over to my phone. I'm at the point right now where I'm so busy that my GoPro batteries keep going dead and I don't have time to charge them. So the factory is actually a 24 millimeter. So yeah, like I said, so if you have a 24 millimeter and a 27 crow's foot, man, you can just reach right down there and grab that sensor. See, there it is right there. So what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to separate this bottom piece, which screws into the block, to the actual sensor itself. That's not supposed to come out. That's supposed to stay in there. But it's not a big deal. It happens. It happens a lot, actually. So I'm going to go ahead and get these separated. See, I haven't even got a chance to clean up yet. So I got it in a vise. And I'm just going to... There we go. 17 millimeter base, if I haven't told you already. And that's the adapter portion. Out with the old and in with the new. Now you don't have to actually tape these up because they're already come with sealant on it. So I'll get that screwed down. Now we got this off, we can actually just set this down on top of it because I had to remove everything. So there. So that sensor is done. Now I'm not going to be able to show you putting back everything else because my GoPro is dead and it's fine, but that's how you get to it. You just reverse your steps. Hope this video helped. Like and subscribe, and I'll leave a link in the description for the ones that I chose. So, but yeah, quick tip, buy that 24 millimeter and a 27, and yeah, you can definitely do this without taking out the alternator. That's a lot of room over here, and there's plenty of room because alternator sits about right here in front of it, so you can really get down there. It's just, unfortunately, I don't have those tools yet, but I definitely will order them because Subarus are always here. Great cars, just they all have the same exact issues, and it's really nice because you can actually keep them in stock and you know what's going to happen next. Thanks for watching.